I hyperfixate on things. I'm not very good at my eyebrows. Oh, Tron is gonna eat these up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing a little reset, preparing for the week / date night. Last week, I slowly dabbled into getting back into my training. I'm sore as heck. Now we are like in the full swing of things. Operation Get These Glutes Back. I actually leave to LA this week too, but I will still be working out while I'm gone. We are hitting our training. We are hitting our protein every single day. I want to close out the year strong. Don't be waiting until the new year to start your goals. Anyways, I just want to get my place in order and organized. It's not really a mess. There's just a few things that I need to straighten up and clean up around here. My office is a mess though. I unpacked everything from Japan in there and I haven't touched that room since. I need to map out my work schedule, what I'm gonna do with the new 12 days of honor dropping. So I still need to finalize my training a little bit, what program I wanna follow for the next however long. And then it's gonna be a little date night before I like lock things down completely. I'm gonna take Babe on a date. I haven't taken him on a date forever. He always takes me on a date. There's an arcade that I wanna go to because we love playing games. But I'm gonna see if we have time. We're definitely gonna go to our favorite restaurant, Juliet's. And then we're gonna go to the Radiant Nature, the botanical gardens out here. They have like this like light show. It looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog the day and take you along. First, I'm gonna make matcha, and then I've been stuck on bacon and Eggo waffles. That's just been like my jam. I hyperfixate on things and I need it like all the time. So yeah, let's go. All right, this has been my pre-workout meal. 2 waffles with butter and maple syrup, 2 pieces of bacon, and then I wanted a matcha today. I'm gonna eat my little meal, then we get right into cleaning.
Yeah, girl, it's been a minute since I vibe with you. Conversating, do nothing right with you. Hold me close, so ain't nothing wrong with you. Yeah, we said our vows, I belong to you now. Tired of feeling defeated, right? Party, ain't nothing had tonight. Quit trying to make me feel like I'm the. Girl, we the same, yeah. Oh, we're tripping off of petty little things, baby. Oh, you're spinning off emotions when you know that it ain't on you. Good time, trying to have a good time. Good vibes, watch me wave a good time. Oh, no. Quit trying to tell me something ain't right. You could blame it on you, me. Save me the drama on we. Everything is all so steep. We're talking crazy, on the same deep. Why we on freeze, and like what I've had in the past, yeah. Girl, we seem to coincide with the end of our lives. The same ride, but we got here. Probably see you and then you scream, it's alright. Oh, we're tripping off of petty little things, baby. Emotions when you know that it ain't on you. Good time, trying to have a good time. Good vibes, watch me waving good time. Oh, no. Quit trying to tell me something ain't right, girl, it's alright. she do. Say you blame it on you, blame it on me. Girl, if it's a problem, I guess we go.
Done with all of that. Now it's time to clean this office. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, it's just mostly clothes everywhere. And books and nail stuff.
It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah.
Everything is clean and organized, thank goodness. Especially this office, because it was a mess. But now it's time to tackle these floors, which brings us to our sponsor. Thank you so much, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video, which couldn't have come at a better time. I was having problems with my previous vacuum, so that one is done. Let me tell you a little bit about Eureka. I picked up Eureka's ReactiSense Cordless Stick Vacuum. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and I really love how easy it makes cleaning different areas around my house. It's lightweight, so I can carry it from room to room without feeling like I'm lugging around a big machine. And it comes with different attachments, so I can use it on pretty much anything. The floors, my couch, shelves, even little corners and windowsills that I usually just completely ignore. The suction power is so good. It easily picks up all the small stuff like dust, crumbs, and hair, but of course it's also strong enough to handle bigger messes. And the best thing about it is it adjusts automatically depending on the surface. The Sense Plus React technology actually detects what you're vacuuming and changes the suction and brush speed on its own. So when I move from carpet to the hardwood, I don't have to press or adjust anything. It also has this anti-tangle brush roll, which is super important if you shed everywhere like I do, or if you have pets. You won't have to constantly stop to cut out the hair that gets stuck. It just keeps going. The design is another big plus. It's slim enough to get under furniture, and it swivels really easily so I can reach tight spaces without having to move everything around. The battery life is amazing. It runs up to an hour on a single charge, which is plenty of time for me to tackle my entire space. And when I'm done, I can just press one button and the dust cup releases without creating a mess. Because of the HEPA filter and complete seal, which traps 99.95% of dust and allergens, everything stays inside. It truly has been the perfect addition to my cleaning routine. So if you're looking for a vacuum that's powerful, easy to use, and gets the job done, make sure to check the description box down below. And thank you again, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video.
Wait for me, girl. Yeah, 'cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl?
All right, I am done cleaning. The place is literally spotless. Also hired a cleaner to come in every month as well, and I feel like it just makes the world of a difference because she really gets in and cleans all the stuff that I don't want to clean. Cleans the bathroom, the floorboards, like everything. And so when I do like my normal cleaning, I don't have to do as much. Best investment ever. I'm gonna sit and chill for a bit, maybe read, and then start getting ready for date night. I'm gonna show you just like my quick 5 to 10 minute makeup routine. It doesn't take long at all. I'm gonna start off with the Anastasia Clear Gel to brush my eyebrows up. The eyebrows are the worst part for me. One, I don't really have any, and two, it's microbladed in there, but it's very old. I'm gonna get them redone. I'm using the Phi Primer, and then I go in with the Say Rose Glow. I only have a little left, but just give you a little glow under there. Now, if I was like getting ready, it would be full skin prep, but I only need this makeup for a few hours, and then I'm gonna come home and take it off. The NARS Pot Concealer in medium deep, and then I just go into where my hyperpigmentation is and just blot it. And I don't like blend it all the way in, I just kind of pat it on there. And then same with my under eyes. Then this is my holy grail, Milk Hydro Grip Gel Tint, and I get shade 11. I've never found anything that matches my skin better, especially because I am more olive tone and everything pulls orange on me. It's a skin tint, so it's super light. I feel like it's been a long time since I used any type of foundation completely. It's just such a great shade. And then everybody's like, your skin looks so good. I'll do just a tiny bit, but I don't do a lot of concealers. Maybe. And if I do, it'll be something like this. I'm gonna go on with my Patrick Ta. She's chiseled, little contour. Hit these cheekbones, follow the same shadow. Hit the hairline, and then I go above my eyes, and that's it. The next blush, I have the Huda. It's like the little mini duos. I've been using these for so long. I love a Barbie doll pink. This one is strawberry cream. I'm gonna spray my face a little bit with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna start with the concealer and just blend. And then blend out the blush. And I like to take the blush all the way under my eye and blend it into my concealer. And then a little across the nose. And then I also take it up into my eyebrow as well. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just make sure there's no harsh lines anywhere. Then I'm gonna take powder puff and go with any pressed powder. I'm using the one from One Size. Push that under my eyes. Sometimes I go in with the Huda baking powder cupcake, the pink tint, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna go back into the contour palette and then just do the powder side. Next, we're gonna hit these eyebrows. L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. And like I mentioned, I'm not very good at my eyebrows. I always do a wing, but I only do a half wing, mid-eye and then over. A little more all-nighter. Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and I've used it all the way down to the bottom, so I don't know what. It's the dark brown one. And then I'll put on the gloss. And that is my makeup. Oh, mascara. This is the Sky High Maybelline. If I'm going like out, I'll put 3 individual lashes at the end just to give me a more like cat eye type look. But otherwise, yeah, it's just me and my tiny little lashes. I don't have very long lashes at all. And that's it. That is my makeup look that I do every time I do my makeup. Now for this hair, I'm just do one slick back ponytail just for today. This will not be a regular occurrence. This silk press is on its last leg, so we start to pull it back, but I just be wearing clips. And even like when I go to the gym, I wear a hair clip. So I think I'm gonna pop on like a skirt and some boots and maybe like a turtleneck. It's cold outside for dinner, but I think I'm gonna bring a sweat set to change into in the car for our little botanical gardens walk because I wanna be comfortable. I love a good ponytail, but my hair is just too fragile to wear them all the time. Spray a little hairspray, Kenra, and then I'm gonna tie her down while I go put some clothes on. All right, let's go get dressed. I'm so sore. My body is literally locking up right now. Let me see. I think I'm gonna wear this long sleeve button up with some like biker shorts under. It's like a dress. It's super long. Just this, then. Okay, and everything's downstairs, so. My watch. Oh, actually there's lotion right there in that left drawer. I got a coat I'm gonna bring too. Leather or pleather? Leather, okay. All right, see you at the restaurant.
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me. We're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me. My remedy, let the seas sway with me. Getting my energy, let the seas sway with me. I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like a tidal wave. I go under, hold my breath and flow.
I got a spiked hot chocolate.
What?
Peppermint hot chocolate.
This is my remedy.
I don't know how to explain it.
Oh.
Really
Huh.
subtle.
Let the seas sway with me. my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. Feels like gravity can't touch me when I'm here. Look at me levitate, look at me levitate. Carry all this weight, but still I'm light as air. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. No, I gotta go under, hold my breath and let it go. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. My remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, getting my energy.
I'm just popping in to close out this video because I had no outro. As you can see, it is a couple days later. Your girl done got her hair done again. I went back to the curly, a little flip over. I got some new bundles because y'all know the last one were damaged. But also, I had got a package from one of my followers in her brand forever ago, and I haven't got the chance to open it. Be Rich Butters, and look how freaking cute this packaging is. So I wanted to open it on camera before I close out. And then she sent me a card, a handwritten card at that. She said, thanks for taking the time to try my products. She didn't want to risk sending the body butters because I was traveling at the time and sitting out in the Texas sun, the body butters would have been like a mess. Let me know when you are back and I will send some other scents and stuff that you might like. Happy birthday, Brianna. Sorry, I'm just getting around to this, girl. I've been a mess, but let's open this package. And it came packaged so nicely too. Different oils. Wow, these are so cute. Baby powder, oil that you can apply as needed to damp or dry skin. So I'll probably put this on fresh out the shower. Rose gold, Be Rouge, cocoa cashmere. There's another one in here too. Oh my goodness, she sent so much. Sandalwood vanilla. I am a vanilla girl. Oh, these are the body butter samples. Perfect Man, Pink Sugar, Milk and Honey, and Cocoa Cashmere. Oh, ooh, I like that. Oh, Tron is gonna eat these up. Ooh. Would you imagine baby powder smell like an oil? That is this. Oh, girl. And I'm so picky on scents. Everything's too strong for me. These are good. Actually, I thought Sandalwood Vanilla was gonna be my favorite, but this Be Rouge, oh, I'm all over that. I am all over that. Thank you so much, Rihanna. I'll put her info down below, but I'll also keep you updated on these because I will be using them. Wait, let me put it back in here all cute because I want to take a photo. Thank you so much for tuning in. And again, thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video. All of the information will be down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video.